Ahoy mateys, this is BrickBeard. Today we're going to travel back in time to the 1950s to get a good look at the LEGO Ideas vintage car promotional set. After the speed build and the review, you'll know exactly if you should try and get a copy of this one. There we have it, the vintage car. Before I'm going to rate it, let's look at the information about it a bit. This was released as a gift with purchase. That meant you spend a certain amount, you get this little thing for free, which is the first time LEGO did that with an idea set. It comes in at 189 pieces with 2 minifigures. If you were to buy it right now, which is not available on the LEGO store anymore, you're going to have to spend about $20 to $30 or euros, depending on your region, which makes it come down to a 10 to 15 cent per piece ratio, which is quite steep. On the other hand, if you really want this, better get it sooner than later, because the prices will not go down. They can only go up from here, or maybe they'll stay the same, but they won't go down. So if you want this set, I would advise you to get it as soon as you can. It was designed by Arne Janken. We have a picture of him here in the booklet. He did a good job on this set, and it must be really nice for any fan builder to have your set transformed into an official LEGO set, right? So good for that guy. So the final ratings, building experience. There is some good stuff going on, interesting techniques that they use, especially for a set this size. But overall not too complicated, so I'm going to give that a 6 out of 10. Playability, well, you can move it up and down and take the minifigures out, right? That's about it for the playability, not a lot going on there. 3 out of 10. Display value, especially if you can combine it in your city, with your modular buildings, for instance. This 50s vibe goes really well with some of those, so I'm going to give that a 6 out of 10. Parts. There is some interesting stuff going on, parts that were never released in this color, and so that are unique to this set. I'm going to give that a 7 out of 10. And value for money, well, it was free, so I can't complain about that. I'm going to give that a 10 out of 10. That would be a bit different if you had to buy it on your own afterwards, which comes down to an overall rating of 6 out of 10. Pretty good, but if you were to ask me, I would not spend 20 to 30 bucks on this set. It's really nice as a gift with purchase, but it's just a bit too much if you were to have to pay 20, even $30 for this. So I would skip it, but if it fits with your city, of course, try and get it as soon as you can. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment. And if you really want to help me out, please consider becoming my supporter on Patreon so I can keep doing this stuff and keep improving. Thank you for watching. See you next time.